Looking for a quick, healthy, and delicious dinner idea? Today, we'll show you how to make easy chicken noodles with broccoli and cauliflower, perfect for a busy weeknight. For this recipe, you will need these ingredients. Place the chicken breast on your cutting board and dice it into even, bite-sized cubes. Transfer the chicken to a plate and set it aside. Now separate the broccoli and cauliflower into small even florets and place them into a bowl. Now thinly slice the onions and garlic. This will bring out their aroma and help them cook evenly. Start by boiling the noodles, according to the package instructions. While the noodles are boiling, combine soy sauce and sesame oil in a bowl. This will be our flavoursome sauce for the noodles. When the noodles are cooked and drained, place them in a bowl and toss them thoroughly with the soy sauce and sesame oil mixture, making sure every strand is coated. Place the noodles onto a serving dish. Heat a little oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the sliced garlic and fry until fragrant. Next, add the chicken to the pan and stir fry for a few minutes. Add the sliced onions to the pan, frying until they become tender and translucent, enhancing the flavor of the dish. Now, add water along with salt, seasoning powder, white pepper, and the fish sauce. Stir everything together to combine the flavors evenly. Now, add the broccoli and cauliflower florets to the pan and toss them gently. In a small bowl, combine cornstarch with water to make a slurry. Pour it into the pan and stir well to thicken the sauce evenly. Next, pour in the beaten eggs and stir gently. The dish is ready. Pour the sauce over the noodles. The aroma of this dish is incredible. You can smell the garlic, soy sauce, and fresh vegetables blending perfectly. Finally, sprinkle fried shallots on top. They'll add a wonderful crunch and enhance the overall flavor of the dish. This is the kind of comfort food you can make every day super easy and delicious. Save and follow for more recipes.